Hello guys, my name is Joshua and I welcome you all to today's tutorial where I'll be telling you guys how to create business card on your phone, how to design it. So now press your business card maker, create. Alright, so this first one you're seeing that has this plus icon is if you want to design your business card from scratch, you start from scratch. That's when you press this and work. But if you want to work on templates, that is, you just press it and then you start to edit the design. So now you have so many beautiful designs here, so many beautiful designs. Look at. So let me just go with these and then we'll start our work. Okay. So this is our designed card already. So now basically what we're going to be doing is just to tap. You tap on this, my company name, come to this right hand side. You see edit text. So edit it and put in your own company name or the company name of the person you're designing business card for. You hold and then you drag. So if you have a website address already, you can edit this, but if you don't, just delete it. And how to delete is you come to this bottom side where you have this your size. Below that you see the first icon, delete, just delete it. So I'm going to delete this address line 1 as well and drag this address line 2 up. So now I want to insert icon for this address. So tap on blank surface on the design, that's on the card. Then come to your right hand side, you see backside BG text icons. So the fourth one, so icons, just press it. We have different icons: Twitter, Facebook, and so on. YouTube, this black, this white, this black, this colored. So just use anyone you want to make use of. I'm gonna make use of this. So this is how to increase and to decrease. Come to this size, your bottom left corner, you drag, and that's just it. So remember in the message I sent to the group earlier that make sure your work is not too close to the edge. Make sure your work is not too close. So now how to arrange your this place now, like the icons. So you come to this right hand side, you see these 4 arrow keys: up, down, front, back, or left, right. So just tap and that's it. You just tap. So you can achieve it by tapping or by holding on it. Let me hold on right now. You see. So the right the holding on it to make it faster. That's what I'm talking about. So that is that. So now we're going to the back side. Come to this place, you see backside, first one, tap. This is the back. Delete this and then you insert your own. Come to this same right place, this right hand side, you see icons, shapes, logos. Just press the logos. These are the logos that they have for us. If you want to put your own logo, come to this arrow key that is pointing upward, press it, so it will take you to where your logo can be located. So now you choose the folder that contains your logo. You locate your logo and then you make use of it. We press it. So there's an option for us to do some little adjustments. So once you are done with that, you tap this mark. Alright, so this is our logo now. Work. So you can decide to leave it this way. So just put in your own creativity to it. So I'm just going to reduce it so you can maintain the way they did the template. There's no harm in that. So edit this one as well and put in the company name. If you have tagline, you can add a tagline. And if you don't, you can create one. Alright, so right now to change the color of this background, come to this right hand side. The second one, you see BG, press it. So you can see different colors there. So now you can choose anyone. Let me choose this. You can see. Let me choose another one. You see. So, but if I want to make use of their template, I can use it. So I can use any of the templates. I'll just use this third one. Alright, so this is cool. So I close that. Then go to the front side and change this one as well to this. Okay, so this is cool. So this is our card. Let me quickly show you some other things. Press this, tap on this name, Joad Supreme Creations. Then you come to this right hand side. Below your edit text, you see font size. Press it. That's where you can increase your text font. Then below that as well, you see font style. You can change the font style, but just make sure you use a font that is visible enough for people to be able to see, and that also adds to the professionality of your work. So now just tap on that and change it back to a good font. So this next one, you can this style, tap on it, you can add bold or italic or underline, and how you want it. Close it when you're done. Then this opacity is just the solidity of your work. Something like this, you can use it for watermark, but in this case I'll just drag it back to 100%. So that's that, guys. So now I want to save our work. So come to this top right corner, you see the three icons, this save, download, and the power. So just press the first one, save, and you can change the name. Save. So our card is saved already. So press the second one for download. You can download the front side and also download the back side. So now our card is downloaded. So this is it. This is our card here. So that is that, guys. Believe me, that app is so easy. So thank you guys for watching.